Good day everyone! Now, I'm gonna show you how to solve real-life problems using related rates. So, check it out! Here is the problem. A ladder is resting against a wall. The ladder is 10 feet long and it's sliding away from the wall at a rate of 1 feet per second. How fast is the top of the ladder sliding down the wall when the bottom of the ladder is 6 feet away from the wall? Looking at the diagram, we have a ladder with a constant length of 10 feet, and these values are the variables x and y as they both change over time. So that makes a right triangle with a known hypotenuse and the two legs unknown. We can relate these variables by the Pythagorean theorem. So we have now x squared plus y squared equals 10 squared. As we said, we want to know how this changed over time, so let's differentiate this equation with respect to time. So, the derivative of x squared with respect to time is 2x dx over dt because we use the chain rule. For y, we will do the same thing. We will use the chain rule. So, it will become 2y dy over dt. For 10 squared, it is 0 because any constant is 0 if differentiated. Now, we want to know how fast the top of the ladder is sliding down the wall, which is described by dy over dt. So, let's solve for dy over dt. We take 2x dx over dt to the other side. So, we have 2y dy over dt equals negative 2x dx over dt. And then, we divide both sides with 2y, so we get dy over dt equals negative xy dx over dt. So, what we need to do is to plug in what we know and solve. We are asking about dy over dt when the ladder is 6 feet away from the wall, so that x is equals to 6. So, by the Pythagorean theorem, we can solve for y. In that instant, y is equals to 8. We can also plug in dx over dt because we said that the ladder is sliding away from the wall with a speed of 1 foot per second. That means x is increasing by 1 foot every second. So dx over dt is equals to 1. As we simplify further, we get negative 3/4 times 1 foot per second. So we get negative 3/4 feet per second. So, dy over dt is equals to negative 3/4 feet per second. Therefore, y is decreasing by 3/4 feet per second at this instance. We can say that it is decreasing because the value we had is negative. That's it. Very easy, right? So, there's no reason to hate math. So, join us in exploring, enjoying, and using mathematics to build a better tomorrow. That's all. Thank you.